In this video, we will learn how to install Windows 10 through a bootable USB flash drive. First step is to back up your files. Second, when you're ready and had your files backed up, shut down your laptop. Plug in the bootable USB flash drive into the laptop and then turn the power on again. Click on F12 repeatedly until the screen looks like this. Select BIOS Setup. Select Boot Sequence and move the USB storage device into the first place. Click Apply Changes and then exit. Laptop will restart and it will then prompt you to Windows installation. However, you must have to make some specification first. Select your preferred language, time currency format, keyboard input method. Just always remember to select what best suits you. Select the OS you want to install. Read the Microsoft. Check the box that corresponds to the statement that you accept the above terms and conditions. Click Delete existing partitions. After deleting, click New. Enter either 25 to 75 . Wait for the laptop to finish installation. Your laptop will restart and you will have to make some personalization. Just remember, choose what best suits you. Name your PC and create a password. This part is optional, however, it is advisable for you to. You are almost ready. You have just installed Windows 10 through a bootable USB flash drive. Thank you for